Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer from FTX to Coinbase. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts and best practices to ensure a smooth transfer. First, you need to have an account on both FTX and Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase account, create one by going to the Coinbase website and following the sign-up process. Once you have both accounts, log into your FTX account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on the platform. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. A new window will open where you need to enter the recipient address. This is where you will enter your Coinbase wallet address. To get your Coinbase wallet address, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the Accounts section. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Receive button. A new window will open with your wallet address, which you can copy and paste into the FTX withdrawal window. Before you initiate the transfer, make sure to check the minimum withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. FTX and Coinbase both have different fees for different cryptocurrencies, so it's essential to check before you transfer. Also, be aware that some cryptocurrencies may have a minimum withdrawal amount, so make sure you have enough balance in your FTX wallet to cover this amount. Once you have entered the recipient address and checked the fees, click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. The transfer may take some time to complete, depending on the blockchain network and the amount of traffic. You can track the status of your transfer by clicking on the Transaction History section in your FTX account. After the transfer is complete, log into your Coinbase account to verify that the funds have been received. You can do this by navigating to the Accounts section and checking your wallet balance. If the funds are not showing up, don't worry, it may take some time for the transfer to be processed. In conclusion, transferring from FTX to Coinbase is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency wallets and transactions. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and secure transfer of your funds. Always remember to check the fees and minimum withdrawal amounts before initiating a transfer. And be patient as the transfer may take some time to complete.